I'm going to make lunch for my daycare kids. They're all getting situated at the table. I'm going to get some ground beef going. I usually do this in my microwave, as you guys know, but that pan is dirty in my sink, so we're doing it on the pan. And then I'm going to get the kids... Oh my gosh! Almost just lost my camera. Everybody's like... And then I'm going to get the kids some puzzles. Apparently that onion powder is like gone. Hopefully I have another one. I'm all out of onions too. I'm really failing right now. I'll find some other seasonings, but I'm going to get this going. Okay, I'm going to give everybody some puzzles, like an age-appropriate puzzle. I have some easier ones for my toddlers. I absolutely love these like vintage play school ones. But I like these kind for like my preschoolers. And then yeah, I have easier ones for the younger kids too. So I'm going to give them all like an age-appropriate puzzle, and we just kind of rotate them around. Some of you guys are fast. I guess I'm adding taco seasoning to this. I don't really need much for seasoning. I'm going to wash and cut up a few apples. My new paring knife is a lot sharper than my old ones. I'm a little bit scared to cut apples now. You gotta finish your first one though before you get another one, okay? She thinks she can. Kova's going around and helping the kids that need help. So sweet. Thank you, Kova. There's our apples. Alright, we're having tacos. I don't know if I said that. You guys like tacos? I have kids saying no. It's one of the best meals they'll eat for me. I'm going to use some paper towels to soak up the grease. Adding some taco seasoning. You need a new puzzle? I'll come get you one, okay? Thank you. I'm going to put some taco shells, the stand and stuff ones, in my air fryer. A long time ago I had a video go viral because I didn't heat up the taco shells. And honestly I feel like they taste just fine either way. But I just put them in there for a few minutes. Give the kids some salad. They can put it on their taco if they want, or they can eat it on the side. And I'm not going to put this Caesar dressing in them because some of my daycare kids don't like dressing. Some bread in my toaster and give everybody some toast for a grain. Who wants sour cream in their taco? Not me! 3 with sour cream. Yep.
You're on the list, little Jimmy. Can we get a bunch? It's alright. You got toast?
I got to pop in for me.
I didn't climb on walls. Sticky gloves.
Switch off, buddy. There's actually...
Why am I doing that?
You don't have to do... All right, here is a lunch for everybody. Are you guys hungry?
Yeah.
All right, here is most of the plates. My wonderful husband cleared a couple already.